Hello, my name is Hallie Marion, and today I will be discussing my final research paper, Millennials in the Workplace, Attracting, Recruiting, and Retaining the Generation. The main purpose of this research paper was to explore the retention and recruitment of the millennial generation. I wanted to identify key characteristics that make millennials who they are and how that affects the way they operate in the workforce. Learning more about current trends with millennials and the retention and recruitment was another contributing factor in this research paper. I also wanted to research the difficulties of retaining and attracting millennials and what strategies could be implemented by employers to help with those problems. Millennials are a very key demographic because they currently make up about half of the US workforce. Understanding millennials and their characteristics helps gain knowledge on who they are and what they want. Millennials have grown up surrounded by technology, and it has never been absent from their lives. They are very fluent with technology and love to use it in their personal and professional lives. Work processes have shifted to technology-based changes rapidly over the past couple of years, but millennials have had no problem adapting to these changes and have actually been used for reverse mentoring to utilize millennial technological skills. A product from technology and social media, millennials have become great multitaskers. Social media and networking have rewired their brains to be able to use multiple sites and do multiple tasks at the same time. Network literacy allows millennials to navigate through multiple sites at a time and find information that is needed for work. These great networking skills give them an edge to do multiple tasks at once. Millennials are extremely interested in having a work-life balance. Millennials do not just want to work their lives away, they crave and want a life outside of their profession. Millennials focus on flexible working schedules to promote healthier lifestyles. Millennials also want a sense of fulfillment in their lives and the work they do. This meaningful work is not limited to the workplace, but continues in this generation's personal lives, families, and communities that they live in. One extremely key characteristic for the millennial generation is their professional and personal growth. 87% of millennials agree that professional development and career growth are two areas that are very important to millennials. Members of this generation want to see where their careers are going in a company and want to be a part of that process. Millennials also expect respect from people in their lives, their fellow employees, and managers and supervisors. Respect has been a learned expectation throughout a millennial's life through the lack of negative feedback, involved parents, and encouragement from authority. Millennials expect respect because it has never been absent. Attracting and recruiting top talent into an organization can be a difficult feat, but it is crucial to create success for a company. Recruiting talent can be a time-consuming process with many direct and indirect costs. Direct costs include the money that is spent on recruiting and training new employees. Indirect costs are not observable like direct costs are. Indirect costs associated with losing talent include decreases in long-term competitive success, knowledge, performance, and organizational goals. A recruitment strategy can be bought, built, or borrowed. This is all dependent on what an organization thinks is the best fit for their company. The recruitment process is a series of 5 steps to help maximize the chances of obtaining top talent millennials and the right fit into the organization. Those steps include conducting a job analysis, sourcing talent, screening, finalizing a job offer, and introducing new employees into the company. The first step of this process is to conduct a job analysis, and during this step, a job description is created and reviewed, minimum qualifications are established, and a salary range is created. A well-defined and detailed job description is a great way to start the process of creating top talent millennials. Having a broad description may make it difficult to find a good match for the position. To attract millennials to the job, there needs to be specific tasks and skills listed for those employees. The next step of the recruitment process is sourcing talent, and in this stage, the position is advertised to the public and they are informed that there is a position that needs to be filled by the company. Two types of talent sourcing can be utilized in the recruitment strategies: inbound and outbound recruiting. Inbound recruiting focuses on the company brand to make the candidates attracted to the organization, and outbound recruiting, organizations have to reach out to candidates they are interested in. Branding and aligning organizational goals with the target audience of millennials are great strategies when implementing an inbound recruiting strategy. After both of these steps are complete, the process continues into screening and interviewing applicants for the position, and then finalizing a decision and making and offering the position to the selected applicant. And then after that, they are integrated as a new employee into the company. Retention of top talent employees are what makes a business thrive and succeed. Retention can be defined as an organization's ability to keep employees in a company. There are two different rates by which retention is evaluated: turnover and retention. Retention rates are the number of employees who stay within the organization, while turnover rates are the number of employees who leave. High turnover rates are very costly and take up so much time to find a replacement for the lost employee. Productivity, employee morale, and errors are all negative effects of high turnover. Companies can implement different practices and strategies to retain employees and decrease turnover rates. The first step in this process is to compile internal employee metrics. It is important to evaluate what the retention rate of the employees are and why they left the organization. Once the company has a better understanding of why employees leave and how many they retain, they can then try and implement a strategy to improve that rate. Offering benefits and values that millennials like are a great way to keep them within a company. Flexible working schedules, corporate social responsibility, career development, and technological advancements are all great strategies to implement. Open conversations that create honest feedback can be extremely beneficial to help gain some internal knowledge as well. Along with that, conducting exit interviews with employees can help give up some information about why employees decide to leave the company in the first place. Current issues with millennials involve problems in a couple different areas. Millennials are generally not engaged in the workplace, and actually only 29% are engaged, while 55% are not engaged and 16% are actively disengaged. Engagement can be seen as employees who are proud of their organization and driven to succeed in and for the company. Engagement is not the only area millennials are struggling in. Another challenge facing the generation is in turnover. Turnover is not a new concept of the millennial generation as a whole, and they are known to be prone to switching jobs quite frequently. 21% of millennials switch jobs within a given year. This constant turnover affects companies tremendously, costing the U.S. economy around $30.5 billion a year. Millennials have issues with entitlement, and some are even considered narcissistic. A study done by Gallup indicated millennials themselves agreed that they are more narcissistic in comparison to previous generations. This stereotype is not true for all millennials, but some do feel entitled and a bit self-absorbed. Millennials typically want favorable treatment and tend to crumble when receiving criticism. They also believe that they have more success in their careers with higher salaries, have an easier time finding jobs, and are more likely to receive promotions opportunities with ease. These turnover rates and lack of engagement give employers problems with retaining millennials. There are a couple of current events surrounding millennials and their retention and recruitment. The coronavirus, or COVID-19, has changed the world tremendously currently. This virus has made America adapt how we live and work. Many businesses have closed down temporarily or switched to a telework schedule. Teleworking and flexible working schedules are both areas that millennials crave and want in their professional lives. This crisis has given telework a real opportunity for many companies and employees to experiment with telework technology. Companies can now see that teleworking can still be as functional and productive as in the office, and they can use this to their advantage to help retain and attract millennials, especially now since teleworking has been a success from the coronavirus. Another current event surrounding the millennial generation is in gamification. Gamification is defined as the act of turning a mundane task into something fun. Many companies see a big future in this concept. Some research predicts that gamification market size will reach over $34 billion by 2025 globally. Having grown up in the digital interconnected world, millennials are comfortable with technology and embrace both social networks and video games. That being said, they value completely different ideologies in the workplace, like gamification. Gamification can also be used to create new strategies in training and development. When used as a simulation, gamification can create stories, goals, and feedback that can be both beneficial to employers and employees. Digital recruiting is a current event surrounding recruitment. The days of paper resumes and job advertisement are now in the past. Technology has created a different side of recruiting, and a decent amount of recruitment is done online. With new technology comes different social media platforms that are used for recruitment. The first business social platform to truly be used and successful is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional social media account for recruiters, and LinkedIn reaches individuals, including millennials, all around the world and has multiple functions. The main purpose of this social media site is to make professional connections between organizations and people. Facebook originally started as a social media network to connect with families and friends, but it has expanded into the professional realm as well. Millennials and organizations can connect and communicate through Messenger, where employee testimonials can be presented to aid in the recruiting process. The first suggestion that could be effectively used to retain millennials would be to implement characteristic-related strategies. Millennials strive for personal growth in their professional careers. Career development is one of the most prized characteristics that a company could offer. Offering training that millennials can utilize to gain more knowledge would assist in career development. Another suggestion that would be beneficial for both retention and recruitment would be to offer attractive incentives for millennials. Another prized incentive to the millennial generation is flexible working options. Millennials love flexibility because it allows them to focus on a desirable work-life balance. Companies could implement a multitude of different flexible working strategies to attract and retain millennials. The final suggestion to aid in the recruitment of millennials would be to create an attractive brand that people want to work for. Creating an attractive brand that catches the interest of potential millennials is known as the recruitment strategy inbound recruiting. Inbound recruiting would be beneficial to recruit millennials because the vision and characteristics of the company are tailored to the audience they are pursuing. Millennials research the companies they are applying to. A great, inspiring brand will attract them if presented properly by the organization. Throughout this process, I've learned a bunch of different things. One of the first things I learned was to cite early and often throughout the paper, or is just going to be seen as opinion-based. Another lesson I learned was to organize my sources so I can find them whenever I need them to implement into my paper. A big one for me was being proactive and work ahead. Sometimes I struggled with this with my busy schedule, but when I finally got it down, it helped me out a lot. And if I put effort in from the start, it's only going to make things easier in the end. So if I would have put a little bit more effort in the beginning, I probably wouldn't have been so stressed at the end. Thank you for listening to my presentation.